Yeah, here I am up at Oahu. Oh man, mud out. Nobody showed up. So I guess I'm not gonna be camping tonight, guys. I'm not gonna even be unloading my bikes. Because it is freaking muddy. Check this stuff out. Unreal. Everybody's up here. Some guys riding, but it is mud. This is my truck right now. My bikes. Still never unload yet because it's too muddy. You can see some of these other guys, they brought their bikes out. It's muddy, bro. Yeah. So treacherous. Oh, look at this mud, bro. Wow. That's what you call packed in there, bro.
Yeah, man.
Check this.
Check this out. Here.
Oh, wow, look at that. Alright, tail of the tape right there.
Right?
Oh my god. Look at all that mud, man. That must be about 50 pounds of mud in there.
Slows it down a little.
Oh, they're my boys right there. Alright. That's crazy, man.
Oldie but a goodie, right?
Yeah, 1984 Honda XL 350. Yeah, this was the days, man. Dual exhaust, a single cylinder. Yeah, double exhaust coming out.
It's a 4-stroke.
Yeah, it's a 4-stroke. Then this is the older one too. Had the double carburetors too.
Yeah.
Twin carburetors feeding a single cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah,
They only made this model 1 year, the 84.
Yeah.
With the twin carburetors and the twin exhaust.
Yeah, right. The first year, the year before.
1 year, and after that was it.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Yeah. Awesome, guys. Yeah, pretty muddy today. Mongo over there. Hey! Yeah, today the mud is treacherous, bro. Ooh, whoa! Almost went over the bars right now. The street legal DRZ right here. Yeah. Some mud, man. You know, the mud. Mud is intense today.